A day in a life as a nursing student on the way to our psych rotation. This is the before while waiting for our CI and classmates, and this is the after. So on the way namin nito sa school guys for our preparation for the culmination on the third day. So hi to Angela, saba kain siya.
We're on our way to... Guys, Pia is now a lover girl.
Chika kain ni si Angela guys, sabta na lang ninyo kay saba jud ni siya. So saba mi sa dalan duha.
Guys, we're going now to our school.
I hope masabot pa ninyo ang our school guys kay I'm not used to it pa. And nag-practice pa.
Dapat update.
Inani jud sa BBC gina-check jud ang bag for safety purposes and I think that's the right thing to do. Actually, tapos na mi sa among rotation. So, nabalik lang mi diri para na mi venue for making decorations for our culmination.
Bye-bye. Bye!
Diri na lang mi sa Asclip building kay walay tao and masolo na mo ang room. So, ayan guys, mag-make na mi. Among theme day for tomorrow is SpongeBob na anong ginakat nila diri. And hi to kuya. Grabe jud ng bata oh. Ang tao mo jud siya si Zeb diri abay. Grabe jud si Kiano ka effort guys.
Balik ya, balik.
So, tanawan ni nawong ni kuya mo jud ni siya si Zeb ba. Nagkata-kata rang nawong. Joke lang bitaw. Pero lang tawang iabab mo jud tinuod jud nagkat-kat oy ka plastic ba. Chares.
Ay, naku, POV na niyo.
OA kaya na si Erika guys. So, ipalibot jud na ako para makita ninyo na nagtinabangay mi and grabe ka responsible na pagka-nursing student. And pero shout out there kay Angeli and Rhea for being a responsible leaders.
Guys,
Eh.
tingnan na PL, guys.
So, ingani jud ka busy sa among second day guys. Kaya of course, culmination na sa third, wala na may time magbuhat. And the best way you can do talaga is to be a responsible member kay para mas smooth and mas mapadali ang mga buhatunon para sa culmination. And on the way na ko nito sa bahay guys kasi I needed to make requirements pa. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!